Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I am going to talk about 8 simple healthy habits that have brought significant and positive changes into my life. These are not magical secret, and as expected, their effects are only visible when pursued with perseverance. In fact, one of the reasons to make this video is to serve as a reminder to myself to maintain self-discipline in my daily routine. This video is powered by Bliss Club. Now let's get started. I drink a cup of water first thing in the morning to rehydrate myself. It helps remove toxins from the body and smooths out the morning rituals. Drinking warm water after waking up is one of the best ways to clear the bowel. Needless to say, clearing out the bowel first thing in the morning is one of the healthiest habits to have. Switching to jeera and soft water once in a while helps in weight loss and improves immunity and digestion. Brisk walking is a simple yet effective form of exercise, and I try my best not to skip this essential and favorite activity of mine. It is low intensity, suitable for most body types, low impact on your body, enables you to move outdoors for fresh air, and has tremendous mental health benefits. Surprisingly, vitamin D deficiency is very common even in sunny land like ours. Walking early in the morning exposes us to fresh air and vitamin D for free. This is really my time and I enjoy it thoroughly. Whenever brisk walking, do wear comfortable clothes and walking shoes. Recently, I got to know about Bliss Club flare pants, which are so comfortable and light. Great for active life and all forms of movements. These are high waist pants which tucks your tummy in and makes you look slimmer. Waistband is foldable as per your preference. These are insanely stretchy and made of super comfy wind flow fabric. These pants have 4 pockets to carry your phone, earphone, house keys and some money. Earlier I used to carry a sling bag to carry all these items, but now I carry everything in my pockets. These are workout pants, so you can seamlessly transition through the day. I just pair it up with my short kurti and it becomes my loungewear. Do check out Bliss Club for these amazing flare pants. Link is given in the description box below. Eating wholesome meals is very important for a healthy body. Our body needs a balanced amount of protein, carbs, fats, vitamins and minerals, which can be achieved by eating balanced meals like dal, sabzi, rice or chapati, curd and salad. I understand most of us who are working full-time can't make all these items, especially early mornings when getting kids ready for school and running for office. What I usually do is I add vegetables in tur dal and make sambar, which is not only healthier but tastier as well. When making chana dal, I add some lauki in it. When making mung dal, I add palak in it. This way you get double nutritional value in one single recipe and in almost everything you cook. Adding veggies in omelette and sandwiches is also a great way of including extra nutrition in your breakfast. Also, I try my best to include fresh fruits and nuts in my daily diet. Earlier, I used to have my dinner around 8 to 8:30 in the night, but for quite some time now, I eat my dinner before 7 p.m., that is before sunset. And I can't express in words how much this habit has improved my health and body. I used to have a lot of indigestion issues and acidity problems after having late dinner, and now it has drastically reduced since I've started having early dinner. Early dinner cuts down my craving for snacks, helping me in weight loss and good night's sleep, as by the time I go to bed, I don't have a full tummy. These days, many of us face health issues even at a young age. It is important to take precautionary measures as early as possible in life, especially when you have any family history. My both parents were diabetic and there is every possibility that this could happen to me as well. So slowly I have given up a lot of things, and one such item is refined sugar. Earlier I used to have tea with sugar. Now I drink my tea without sugar, and yes, it wasn't easy at the beginning, but since I gave myself a challenge of at least 21 days and it has become my habit now. And wherever sweetener is needed, I replace sugar with jaggery, honey or desi khand. I've given up my evening tea, which used to cause a lot of gastric problems and uneasiness. Now that I don't take tea in the evening, I'm able to have early dinner. I've cut down on refined flour, processed food and oil as well. I try my best to make food with very little oil. Snacks is one such food item. If we do not plan for it in advance, most of the time we end up eating unhealthy options. Matri, mixture, chips, biscuits look tempting, especially with evening tea. To cater your taste buds, you can keep some healthy snacks ready, like Gond Laddu. They are healthy and delicious and very easy to make. Let me show you how. In a pan, take 1 spoon ghee and 100 grams gond in it. Fry it till it becomes double the size. Take it out. Now in the same pan, add 10 grams makhana. Roast them and keep it aside. Now roast some almonds and cashews and keep aside. Now roast 50 grams khuskhas and keep aside. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee and add 1 spoon besan in it and roast. Now add 100 grams wheat flour in it and roast till it changes its color. Keep it aside in a big bowl. In a pan, put 2 tablespoons of water and 100 grams of jaggery and let it melt. Keep stirring. Now grind khuskhas, makhana, gond and nuts coarsely and add the mix in roasted atta. Mix well and add some kishmish, nutmeg and half teaspoon ginger powder. Now add the jaggery syrup. Make sure it is hot or warm, otherwise laddu won't form properly. Add some ghee if needed for binding. Start making laddus and keep them aside till they cool down completely. Now put them in a box and enjoy it as a snack. You can store them for up to 30 days. This is also a good and healthier option for people with a sweet tooth. Same way, there is another healthy nutritional mixed seed laddus which are great for your health and immunity. The recipe and ingredient list is given in the description box. For me, the Sunday break is time to rejuvenate. I try to cook something special, watch a show that I enjoy, read a book, sleep, have a dessert or sweet which I don't eat throughout the week and prefer to stay switched off. One day in a week is just for me and I try to enjoy it the way I want. I avoid going out on Sundays and prefer to stay at home and relax. Sometimes we like to go out and walk to a nearby lake which can be seen from the balcony of our rented apartment. It is a beautiful lake and surrounded by a lot of trees. Spending time in nature can instantly restore energy and lower stress. There is nothing more peaceful and natural than spending time in nature and soaking in a bit of sunlight. This is also a great way to spend some quality time with family. Last but not the least, one of the healthiest things I have done is to set limits for my social media and phone usage. No phone and social media from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. After my dinner, I go for a walk, sometimes read a book and sleep by 9:30 p.m. Limiting phone usage in the evening helps me to go to sleep early and hence I am able to wake up early the next day. I don't use the phone early in the morning except once in a while for listening to music during walks. Otherwise, bird chirps and silence are great company. Most of the phones have this feature called sleep mode, where your phone automatically switches off all the notifications and calls that disturb your sleep. Setting these very specific limits is much more impactful than just wishing, "I want to minimize the phone usage." Instead, it puts your wishes into action. And that's all about this video. If we really want to develop some good habits, we need to give some time till it becomes a lifestyle. And kahavat hai na, slow and steady wins the race. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you all next week. Till then, take care of yourself. Wishing you a great weekend from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.